As you know, GlideApps are built on tables. That means that when you're using a GlideApp on the GlideApp platform, you can have the core of your information stored in tables within the platform or within some of the spreadsheet tools outside of the platform and have them synchronizing in. This template is built on the app's tables rather than external spreadsheets. That is so that somebody can pick this up and run with it very rapidly to put it in the hands of more and more people in your cyber community. Now, what we have, as you know, in GlideApps is it sits on tables, it can be viewed on a mobile app, and it can be viewed on a desktop solution. So what do we have in this app? Let's have a look at the mobile version of it. Here we have a page where we can have a record of incidents that our staff can be looking at, especially when there's real-time developments going on and they want to see the latest updates from you as the central, or that people have the ability to create information about new incidents. You can put that power in their hands. Then you could have a register of threats that are out there, and so this one is very straightforward. This is the name of the active cyber threat we're aware of, etc. It's not an incident, it's a threat, and you're just communicating more broadly within your community. You might choose to have a hot button, an emergency button where you can enter incident details. You can make it possible for somebody out there who's not a cyber professional to be able to just hit a button with this more sophisticated workflow, and is an additional function within GlideApps, but you would just be building on top of it here. You could have pages with more information related to cyber, which we haven't populated here. And then you could have a schedule of meetings at your community, training events, etc. And here you also have your cyber community. Who's in the community? What is the CAN? What is the SIG forum? When's it taking place, etc. You also have a menu where you could be gamifying things. So you also have a list of the top tips that you believe people should be sharing with their users. Have a cyber league, which is that you are measuring how different departments are updating their cybersecurity and responding to the questions that you are sending them. You might have cyber champs, which is rewarding people for responding to questions in some or other forum. And that could just be through a questionnaire in Microsoft Teams, for example, and that you're taking the results that are coming into a spreadsheet and updating it into your cyber champs and just gamifying things. And we've spoken about, this is just your landing page actually, and we've spoken about having maybe a list of your cyber providers, whoever they may be, and also that you could have a list of your suppliers. So how does this work when you are looking at your apps? Well, let's just jump back to say we're having a look at our incidents. And then if we rather are logging on our desktop, then this middle panel is what you are seeing on your desktop. And as we've said, we're tracking incidents as they're arising, keeping a register of threats, your emergency button. So all of these that are visible on your mobile are visible on the web, or visible on the web obviously are visible in your mobile. What lies behind templates is the data. Now the data here, as we've seen, is what's displaying. If I'm going, here's my table with my data, I can have a look at that in my app layout. And you can see what we've got here. CAN, SIG, online forum. If you look here, you've got CAN, online, SIG, forum, all as we can use it. We've got this table, which is just a register of incidents. Now, this could be a table kept in Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel, Airtables, and synchronized up here, or you can just be updating it here in the desktop. So this cyber community app is a great place to start with building that knowledge into your community and just enhancing the functionality as you increase your levels of membership within GlideApps.com.